I'm Christine Heidick with PTO Answers, and I'm back again with my favorite treasurer, my husband, and he is going to answer a question that I get a lot, and that is, what should new treasurers be aware of, or what should they be thinking about?
They should be thinking about how they're going to keep their receipts and when they're going to deposit at their bank. I know there's times I'm like, where did I put the receipts? Do I have them in my binder? Do I have them in my wallet? And then sometimes you forget. There might be a check in there that you need to deposit or clear from someone. So you're always going to have to deal with paperwork. Fundraisers come in with checks. Memberships come in with checks. So being able to make sure you have a system of where you keep them, remembering where they're at, remember to go to the bank quickly as possible so stuff doesn't build up, because that'll come back to bite you at the end of the month or whatever when you're trying to reconcile your books. So I've done it. It's hard to do and remember. You have it, you put it in your car, you're going to go to the bank and make the deposit, and then you forget, and then you can't find where they're at. So just keep a good rhythm going of how you want to do your monthly deposits, especially when it's fundraising time, another time where you need to get all the checks cleared.
You've not told me that you've temporarily misplaced a
Yeah,
deposit.
every now and
You
then.
may have gotten fired if I had known about that.
Oh, look, there's a check from 3 months ago. Oh, whatever.
No, it's not been that bad.
Okay.
Jason, that's horrible. All right, anything else you think would be good?
For first-time treasurers,
Yeah.
you're just gonna have to set time to yourself to do this. It's not gonna take long, probably an hour each month if you have everything else in place. And don't give anybody money unless they give you a receipt. That's probably the easiest advice to give anybody. No, I'll give it to you later, or no, I'll make sure I get it when I get paid and all that. Either have the quote up front or have the receipt before you go ahead and give them the reimbursement.